How to fix WhatsApp verification code not sending problem. So if WhatsApp is not sending you verification code, maybe you're trying to log in again from a new device or anything like that. This could be due to a couple of reasons. The first thing, very basic, is of course to make sure that our phone number is entered correctly. Then tap on next button. Just check once and for all again that your number is connected properly. After that, ensure that your internet connection is working just fine. Make sure that you have got access to the phone number and you're in a place where you can receive messages, because WhatsApp might be trying to send you a code but it is failing to because of network issues. So make sure you don't have any type of cellular or network issues over there. Now, another thing you can try to check is if you're using Android, you can long press on WhatsApp app icon, tap on the eye icon over here. Then from here you can scroll down to storage, try to clear the cache files and try to clear the data. And after you've done that, depending upon what phone you're using, open up your respective app store, check if your WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. Now after you've done this, also try restarting your phone and try to do a couple of other things, and that should probably help you solve the problem. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.